Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be making these Pillsbury Grands pumpkin spice rolls. So we have assembled here everything that we're going to need. We've got our rolls. We have a pan. You can use a round or a square pan. This is an 8x8 disposable one. We have some cooking oil or whatever kind of oil you want to use to grease your pan. And I like to use some paper towels to help facilitate that. Before we get started, make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we're just going to go ahead and grease our pan. So what I do is just go ahead and do a really good coating, rub it all in, that way you're sure to coat all of the sides. Then I just do a little bit more in the center so that everything is good to go. Now we're just gonna open up our rolls. Now we're just gonna place our rolls in here. There are 5 of them in your pan. So we're just gonna kind of put them in a 4 corners and 1 in the center kind of situation here. And here is our icing that we have. We're just gonna sit that off to the side. Now that we've got our rolls in our pan, they are good to go. These are definitely gonna expand some, so hopefully they've got enough space. We're gonna go ahead and pop these into the oven for 23 to 27 minutes until they're golden brown. So I'll come back and let you know exactly how long it took in my oven. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, guys, we just brought these out of the oven. It took 25 minutes and we've reached a nice golden brown throughout. So I'm just gonna take our icing now and take our lid off, and I'm gonna stir this up a little just to make sure that nothing is too settled at the bottom. Now what I'm gonna do is just take my spoon and dollop this out onto each roll, and then I'm gonna use a spatula. You can use a knife or whatever you'd like to just kind of spread this stuff around. All right, there we have it, our completed pumpkin rolls. If you guys would like to know how these taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase these again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.